Now let us discuss one more same problem but different one. You see in the previous that is different, and in this case and it is different. How many plates are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of plates is equal to 4, but number of capacitors only 3, because so number of capacitors always one is lesser than number of the given plates. So very simple. What is that? So now here one thing, what is that? So now same, everything is same area. Therefore now capacitance of the each capacitance, how much? Each capacitor, that is equal to, you can write what? Epsilon naught A by D, where D is the distance between the two plates and A is the area of the each plate. But one thing, what is the main difference between the first and the second one? So in this case, this A is connected to only second plate and B is connected to only fourth plate, but 1 and 3 they are not connected to any plate. But they are asking what is the effective capacitance between A and B? Between A and B, what is the effective capacitance they are asking now. So where is now for this model, what you have to check that? So extra you have to take one point in the middle. Just you represent A, and here I am taking what? Here I am taking that B. Same to same, just on the paper while practicing, just you put 2 points A and B. So here what is that? If it is the A, therefore this plate also becomes what? A. And if it is the B, this plate names also becomes what? B. Sir, what about the 1 and 3? Here twist is there. Now here this is unknown, that's why you put the C beta, and this also becomes what? C only. Just I will put the name as a C. Therefore now where you have to connect the C, the extra point C, just you take in the middle, whatever. And this type of all models, you have to take the 2 points A and B at the end, and the third unknown connection, you put the name as a C, that always you keep in the middle. Now you count, sir, C to A, one plate separation is there. Yes, one capacitor is forming. I am taking that what? That is C. Therefore now C to A, I am connecting one capacitor. Okay, so C to A, I am taking one capacitor over. Next, what is that? A to C also one more capacitor. Very nice. So now C to A over. C to A to C. Where is the A? So now A to C. Therefore now here I am taking that A to C. Yes, A to C. One more capacitor between A and C only, that is there. Now last one. What is the last one? The last one is the between C and B. Now therefore I am taking what? C and B. Katam. Therefore now what is that? If you take, this is the A. Now this point is also becomes what? This point also becomes B. Therefore now tell me, these two are in parallel or not? Now easy. After completing of the discussion, now we are getting one diagram or not? Therefore now these two are in parallel. Okay, na? These two are in parallel. That's why what you are getting, so parallel what? These two are in parallel. Okay, therefore what answer you are getting? Now the answer you are getting the combination of this one. What is that? All are the same or not? Yes, all are the same. This is the C, this is the C, and this is also C. Therefore these two are in parallel. Therefore now I am taking that CP is equal to C plus C, that is equal to, I am taking what? 2C. But what is that? When these are both are in parallel, now I am drawing one more diagram. What is that? Yes, we are getting, sir, this is the final answer. Therefore what is that? This is the B and this is the A beta. Therefore now you can say this, what you got? CP, combination of these two capacitors, what we got? That is the 2C. I am taking here, I am taking the C. Now these both are in series. Therefore now what is the formula for the series combination? 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Okay, now just you substitute there, you can get the final answer. What? That is equal to 1 by CS is equal to 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1. C1 means just you substitute the CP. Therefore you total this contains C. Therefore what is that? 2C. Therefore 1 by 2C and plus and 1 by C. I am taking that. Finally what you are getting, that is equal to if you take the 1 by C is the common, 1 by CS, that is equal to 1 by C is the common, then what you are getting? So 1 by 2 plus 1. Therefore now your what? That is the answer. What? 3 by 2 you are getting after simplification. So after simplification you will get what? Therefore what? CS is equal to 2C by 3. Okay, na? 2C by 3. Therefore you substitute the C value. This C value you substitute there, you can get the answer. What is that? Therefore final answer, C is equal to effective capacitance. So CS is equal to what is that? So now 2C, C value is to 2 epsilon naught A by 3 dm. Okay, na 2 epsilon naught A by 3, because you simplify it, very simple one. Therefore now this is the out of the 4 options, just you trick this one. Therefore this is the final answer for this question. Once again nodri, so in the previous question only 2 points, only A and B, those A and B are connected all players, but here A and B are connected to second plate and fourth plate. But what is that? So this first plate and third plate are not connected to at any points A and B. So then what you have to do, very simple, just you put one extra name to this unconnected terminals, or you put one extra name to this unconnected plates. Therefore you call this is the C. If it is a C, this is the same plate, na beta. That's why this is also C. Therefore C to A, one capacitor C, and A to C, one more capacitor. C to B, just you connect them. Therefore now, sir, A to C and C to A, two capacitors are there. Now both are in the parallel. When both are in the parallel, therefore Cp is equal to C plus C is equal to 2C, and this 2C you call as the name C1, and this is you call as the name C2. Therefore now the new diagram becomes A to B, and remove the C, no problem. Therefore now, sir, first capacitor C1, okay, na first capacitor C1 is equal to 2C, and the second capacitor C2 is equal to C. Both are in the series. You take the series effective formula. What is that? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. After simplifying, you are getting the answer. What? Is it correct? 1 by 2 plus, yes, 3 by 2 you are getting, and if you take the reverse, Cs is equal to 2C by 3, and C is what? C is the each capacitor capacitance. Sir, why are you taking C? Because all are identical, because its area, area is the same. This distance same. That's why each capacitor capacity C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. First you have to write this one, and after that you substitute, you are getting this answer out of the 4 options. Please you trick it. Okay.